A lot of times in California, I hear the terms clean truck check and CARB certificate being used synonymously, even though they are two distinct things. And since different brokers are going to have different requirements requiring one or both of these, let's take a look at where to find them. Despite both coming from the California Air Resource Board, they do each have their own unique websites. I'll put links to each in the description of this video. These QR codes will take you there as well. So starting with the CARB certificate, you want to head on over to the TRUCRS website. That's TRUCRS without the K and E. From there, you'll be given the opportunity to either create a new account or log in as an existing user. Now, this video is not going to be a step-by-step instructional video on how to create a new account, as the steps are pretty self-explanatory. However, there is one step in there requiring your engine family number. YouTube is a great resource in locating this number. But despite all the videos I could find, mine still required a call to Freightliner to get this engine family number. So creating a new account without an engine family number will not work. Once logged in, you want to click on Check Status under Compliance Status. You then want to check the box under 2026 Compliance Status stating your fleet meets the requirements for truck and bus. And lastly, click the button that says Print Certificate. Now, these certificates are one and dones. Once you get one at the beginning of the year, you do not have to worry about it until the end of that year unless something changes with your fleet. There are no fees, upkeep costs, smogs, any of that. The Clean Truck Check, also known as the Affirmation of Fleetwide Compliance, is slightly different. Unlike the CARB certificate, this certificate does require periodic fees and smog testing throughout the year. From the login screen, you'll be given the choice to either log into an existing account or create a new one. Much like before, this video is not going to be a step-by-step on how to create a new account, as the steps are pretty straightforward. I will point out that it does take the Clean Truck people about 2 business days to get back to you once you submit your information so that they can verify all of it. Once logged in, you want to click on the My Entity button. From there, you'll want to scroll down and click on the Affirmation of Fleetwide Compliance. This certificate requires an attestation box be checked every time the certificate is requested to be printed. After checking the attestation box and clicking Attest My Fleet, you will then be given the opportunity to print Affirmation of Fleetwide Compliance. The system will let you know your attestation has been successful and your Affirmation of Fleetwide Compliance is now complete. The Clean Truck people are going to send you monthly emails, usually around the 1st of the month. It's a quick glimpse into which ones of your vehicles are compliant, which have a fee due soon, and which ones are due to have a smog. It's the same information that can be viewed after logging into your Clean Truck Check account. So there are subtle differences in these two certificates, even though they both come from the California Air Resource Board. My goal in making this is so hopefully you can leave here and distinguish between the two certificates, and more importantly, know where to find them. I hope this video serves you well. Appreciate you for watching. Take care.